Uh, As I have already asked you to search regarding the RJ45 connections and how you will clean everything. So let me show you by searching and where you need to input this. Okay. Here you can see in Google, I just typed RJ45 connector. So you can see what are the things appearing in search. So this is the RJ45 connector, how it looks like. And this is the keystone where the RJ45 connector ends. And this one shows the printing tool and wire saver and network tester, cable tester. Okay. Furthermore, consider to see how you will use this and how to connect the cable and all. You can see some 45 connection search on YouTube videos. You can see on screen as in this video. We will need the cables and how you will connect it. You can see how it's using the saver and crimping tool. And finally, you can see how it fits into the warm. Mhm. No, it's not that hard. Actually, you don't know what you need to search and where you need to look at it. Okay. So everyone is having the YouTube access and all, but they are not doing what it's required to be done. Okay. Also, already in this field, might think that these are very basic stuff. But actually, I have seen people who are with CCNA have issues with understanding these cable connections or connecting a cable or making a patch cable like that. So better I just cover everything together and it would be helpful for even newcomers, right? Newcomers. Throughout the path, you will find more like raising tax cases, DR testings, link DR, and many more things are coming on the way. And iOS upgrades and everything. I will show. So meanwhile, I just wanted to grab it, everyone together to this. So even the basic stuffs I need to cover. So that's why I'm including these things. So you can see there are Cat5, Cat6 cables, and the theoretical parts and all I will include later. Mostly you can consider it as a speed difference and protection against electromagnetic induction. So one type of cable will have a sleeve, uh, like a small silver sleeve. You can simply remove it and do the patching cable. So those details we will consider later. Okay. You can see this. Practically, they have shown, and also there's one thing. After you make the patch cable, here what they are showing is they are making a patch cable by the X6 cable. They will connect the RJ45 on both ends, and they will make a patch cable. The thing is, after they make the cable, they need to check whether the connections are working good or not. For that purpose, we will have a checker called, you can see, RJ45 connection tester. You can see various stickers available, but most commonly used one is this one. Actually, it is not that expensive. It's very cheap, actually, and very easy to use. So in this one, there are 8 cables, right? In each Cat6 cable, we are having 8 cables inside, 8 wires. So these 8 wires represent each light, LED light in the checker. You can see it's lighting. So both ends of the Cat6 cable is connected to 2 parts of the checker. You can see. So when it started, the light should go on as equal, like it's like 1 to 8 on each checker part. So each should go in a row, like one on the left side checker, the one LED, first LED on the right side, and first LED on the left side. Both needs to be blink at a time. Synchronous way it should work. So if it's not blinking that way, if it's like one LED on left side is blinking and the other one on right side is not blinking, means your cable connection has an issue or it's a loose connection. So you need to check that one how to configure it. Okay. So nothing, you just cut it off and you need to uh, again connect another different cable, because once you crimp the cable, you can't again make it work, because if there's a loose connection means it's not properly crimped. So you need to cut it off and you need to have another RJ45 and well, that's why it says when you are crimping, just be careful and do it properly. Don't rush and if sometimes the cable orders might be wrong, or else most of the time people won't mess up with the cable order color codes because they are new and they will do that part carefully. But where they miss is when crimping, actually they might uh, push one cable forward, and there might be one cable might be backward, and likewise in 8 wires it needs to be in a straight line. If it isn't, there should be a cable error or something will appear. Okay, there could be. So these are things in practical environment we are facing. You can see these videos, and for myself, I didn't play these videos. I'm not viewing this. If you want, you can just type this and you might find it out. Okay. So as I have already told you, I'm not going to promote my videos in this guidance. Actually, I just wanted to share my knowledge. So I will show you where you need to look at it as I guide my juniors. So I'm not going to take them a class, and I'm not going to ask them to come and sit next to me and just learn these things like that. I don't want to teach them. I will show you where you need to look at it and they will prepare. Okay.